Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and it does not provide financial advice. Binary trading is highly risky and can result in the loss of your entire investment. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Trade at your own risk and always consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The creator is not responsible for any financial losses. Invest wisely, trade responsibly. Hello, welcome to my new video. Today, I'm going to show you a new live signal bot for Quotex, which gives 99% accuracy, and IT works on phone and PC. So let's get started. The bot link is given in pinned comment. You will see the same page as me. All real markets are here. Let's take a trade. Just click on next signal. It will give the signal we got for down. Mix your knowledge and bots and trade. Deep profit. This was the video. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.